So far, we have looked at action potentials moving smoothly down the length of the axon. But this is not always the case. There are many neurons that are myelinated, and they send information much more quickly than unmyelinated neurons. So the myelin sheath here is shown in yellow, and this is a myelinated neuron. Between the myelin sheath are exposed areas of the axon, and these are called nodes of Ranvier. Each node has voltage-gated sodium channels and voltage-gated potassium channels that are exposed, which means the depolarization and repolarization can take place in these areas. So the action potential can skip large areas of the axon as it jumps from one node of Ranvier to the next, so that we see in red. As a result, it greatly increases the speed of conduction. And this is very useful for somatic motor and somatic sensory neurons that must carry impulses at a very rapid rate. We call this type of conduction saltatory conduction. Saltare in Latin means to jump, and this impulse jumps or leaps from one node of Ranvier to the next. As a result, large myelinated neurons have the fastest speed of conduction.